So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a Google Slides presentation to the starred folder in Google Drive. So once you have Google Drive open up on your device, Google Drive open up on your device or Google Slides open up on your device, make sure that you go into your presentation. Now, if you wanted to add this presentation specifically to the starred folder, it's pretty simple. Open up your presentation, go to the top right, press on the three horizontal dots. Then go to the bottom to where it says star file and make sure that that is checked and has a yellow highlight. It's sort of like what it says available offline, that is yellow, or an orange color. Make sure that where it says star file, press on that. And now it says untitled presentation added to starred. Now what this basically means that if you were to exit out of this and go back to the home screen here, if you wanted to go to your star folder right here, what you can do at the top is press on the three little lines right here in the top left. Go to where it says starred, press on where it says starred, and basically right here we just have the starred presentation. So if you were to go ahead and press on that, you're now into the presentation that you just added to the starred folder here in Google Drive. So that is how you guys can add a Google Slides presentation to the starred folder here in Google Drive. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.